In this video, we will learn how to create a professional online betting website. I will share with you premium sources for building this online betting website. You can easily create a professional online betting website using this premium source code. You are getting the most powerful admin panel to manage this online betting website. You can manage all the features and functionalities of the website through the admin panel. You can see admin panel has all kinds of feature sections to manage online betting. You can easily manage the online betting website step by step using these feature sections. Also, you will get all kinds of important features sections in the admin panel to manage the website. We can show the live betting games on the home page of our website. Then our website visitors can bet on the betting matches of their choice. For this, users must first create an account on the website. I will now log into the account as a betting user. You can see the dashboard in a betting user's account. Users of our website can easily earn money by sharing referral links. Also, users of our website can easily view their betting lists. And every user can deposit on our website very easily. For this, they can use many international payment methods. We can easily add these payment methods through the admin panel. Also, users of our website can request to withdraw their earned money very easily. If our users face any problem, then they can directly get solution from us through live support section. So let us now write step by step how to create such a betting website. Now we need to purchase premium source code from Envato to create online betting website. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of this source code in the video description. If you buy this source code once, then you can use it on the website for lifetime. Also, you get source code update version for lifetime, and you can take developer support for any problem. We will also support you. If you have any problem installing the source code or any problem in customizing the website, then you can contact us. You will find all the information to contact us in the video description. Now we will learn how to purchase source code from Envato. For this, we need to click on the Add to Cart button. Then go to Checkout. Now we need to create an Envato account. We can easily create an account using Google, Apple and Facebook. Or we can create an account by submitting correct information here. I have already created an account on Envato, so I will account login now. We must submit the billing details. We can purchase source code using two international payment gateways. You can pay by banking card or pay by PayPal. For example, I will now pay by bank card. For this, we need to submit correct banking card information here. Then we will confirm the payment by clicking on this button. Wow, our payment is complete. Now we will go to the download section. Then we have to click on the download button. Wow, now we can download all information of source code step by step. As you can see, I have already downloaded all the source code information. Then we need to extract the source code zip file. Now we will purchase domain hosting to publish online betting website online. You can purchase high quality domain hosting from Hostinger at low cost. Check the video description because I will provide the discount link of the Hostinger website in the video description. If you buy domain hosting from Hostinger, you will get many benefits. I have been using Hostinger domain hosting for my personal website for over 6 years. Because their domain hosting service is very high quality. Now we will learn how to purchase web hosting. You definitely get a free domain with these packages. Also, you get many more features with these packages. You get 30 days money back guarantee with every package. If you don't like your domain hosting within 30 days, you can get your dollars back. Also, you can get 24 hours technical support from Hostinger. Or you can get direct support from us. You will find all our contact information in the video description. You can purchase any package as per your choice from here without any problem. As an example, I would now purchase the business web hosting package. We must purchase this package for 12 months. Now we need to create Hostinger account. We can easily create accounts through Google. Wow, we are getting 64% discount. We have to pay a total of $59.88. We can purchase domain hosting using many international payment gateways. You can purchase domain hosting using your preferred payment gateway. We need to submit account information here to make payment. For example, we will now pay by banking card. For this, we need to submit correct card information here. Then we have to confirm the payment by clicking this button. Our payment complete. We will now click on the Start Now button. We can now choose a domain for free. You can choose any domain of your choice. I will now choose any domain of my choice absolutely free. Now we have to click on the Continue button. Then we have to go to the next step. Now we have to submit the domain address information here step by step. Then we have to click on the Finish Registration button. Now click on the Finish Setup. Now we will go to the Hosting Control panel. Wow, we have successfully purchased domain hosting from Hostinger. Now we will change the PHP version of the hosting panel. We will select PHP 8.3 version as per source code documentation. Then we will go to the file manager to upload the source code. Now we will go to public HTML folder. Then we will go to our source code folder. Now we will convert this folder into zip file. Then we will upload this zip file to the hosting panel. Our zip file is upload complete. Now we will extract this zip file. We need to choose a folder name. Now we will delete this zip file. Then we need to select all these files. Now we need to submit these files to the public HTML folder. Now we will delete this folder. Now we will search by typing our domain into the browser. Now we need to add permissions to some folders, so now I will teach you how to add permissions to these folders. Then we have to submit the database information here. Now we will learn step by step how to create database in hosting panel. Then we will learn how to connect the database information of the hosting panel to the website. For this you have to follow this video completely step by step. Now we need to submit admin login information. Then we have to click on Install Now button. Then we need to submit the purchase verification information here to activate the website. Now we have to click on Activate Now button. Wow, we have successfully installed the source code. Now our website is fully ready. Now we can easily customize the website by logging into the admin panel. We can change important features and functionalities of the website in the System Settings section. You can change the website name and website color and other important features in the General Settings section. Also, you can easily change the logo and favicon of the website. We can add many international automatic payment methods to the website. Here you can see many international automatic payment methods. You can add these international payment methods according to your needs. Also, you get all kinds of features and functionalities to manage the batting matches. Using these feature sections, you can manage all types of live batting matches on the website. In this video, we learn how to create a professional betting website using premium source code. If you have any query about this video, then comment or contact us directly via WhatsApp and email. Thank you very much for watching this video in full. If you don't want to miss our next videos, then definitely subscribe the channel.